How to fix Instagram community guidelines. Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove Instagram community guidelines problem. First thing, open your Instagram and go to your profile and click on edit profile. Now all what you want to do here is make sure to change your profile photo and also change your name, username and bio, and change everything. So after that, click confirm, go back, click on those three lines here in the top, click on settings, click on this help option, click on report problem, click report problem without shaking. You have to wait a few seconds. Now here you have to send a message, for example, hey, I have a problem, I can't send messages, for example, and that's it. Then send a screenshot from here of the problem and click next. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.